operating system. If I'm putting case 1, in that case also it is going to give output OS. If I am giving case 2, if I'm typing 2, in that case also it is going to give output as OS. Why is it so? Because there is no break statement available starts from 0 to 2. That is why we will start from case 0, 1 and 2, and it is going to give the last statements. But in case if I'm putting 3, then it is going to give me output as photographer. If I'm giving case 5, then in that case it is going to give me output as invalid option, because here a break statement is available. Next, come to the next point. Let me explain this using notepad. In this, first of all, I have declare a variable string type and variable name is w, that is going to store a string that is high rise. In this next line, come to the next line. In next line, string wc equal to w dot to lowercase. What does it mean? We are using a string function named as to lowercase that is going to return this given string into small letters. That means high rise should be in small letter, all the letters. Now come to the line number 3. Here we are using a for loop. Int I equal to 0, I is less than wc dot length. What does it mean? It is going to count the available characters within the given string high rise, that is 2, that is 8. 8 characters are there. Now I will start from statement 1. Int I equal to 0. Step 1. Step 2. Yes, I is less than 8. Yes, condition is true. If the condition is true, then I am getting inside the loop. Here I am seeing a statement that is string ex equal to wc dot substring. In substring function, I am supposed to write value of I here is 0, comma value I plus 2 is 2. So I am supposed to start fetching the value from the given string that is high rise. I am supposed to start value from 0, that is h. Then I have to retrieve the value that is 2 minus 1. Why I am doing this? Because index position is starting from 0. 2 minus 1, what does it mean? It is going to return the string value till 1. So it is going to return output as hi. Now next statement, ta dot append. I am supposed to print this. Then you will see plus slash n. Plus slash n. What does it mean? It is used to print the output in next line. Next, what I need to do? Again, I am checking the loop. Step 4 is value of I is incremented by 4. Step 4 is value of I is incremented by 4. Earlier I was having value of I is 0. Now it would be 4. Again, come to the step 1. I equal to 4. I is less than. That means 4 is less than. Yes, again condition is true. I am getting inside the loop. Then I will see in bracket 4 comma 6. Here it is going to fetch the values at fourth position, that is 1 0 1 2 3 4. So I am supposed to start fetching the value from r. I have written r. Then it is going to return 6 minus 1, that is 5. Fifth position I am having I, so I am supposed to return I. So output will be h I, in next line r I. That would be the output of this question. Come to the next question. Yes, what will be the, somebody has asked me what will be the output of the same. In this I have taken a variable that is num, and value I have already assigned a value that is 147. Next statement is if I am checking, yes, n is greater than equal to 10. Condition is true. I am getting inside the loop. Again I will be seeing a condition if num equal to 10, no, condition is false because num is 147, so that is not equal to 10. So I'm going to jump to the else part, that is L1. I'm so sorry, L dot set text second, so it is going to print second string. Next it is going to come next line, and that next line is third string, it is going to print the same, but there is no next line statement available to print the output in next line, so it is going to print both the things in same line, so output will be second string, third string. Got it? Next, okay, yes, this is what it's a kind of text that is, okay, I'll let you explain later on.